creative and critical thinking skills. In order to bridge this gap, we have designed a program which will help the participants to realize their full potential and in turn amplify their thinking spectrum. As a part of our upskilling program, we have launched a new workshop series on creative thinking and self-discovery. This workshop series is a journey of fun roadmaps on ways to think creatively so that it acts as a guide in the complex and dynamic environment of a participant's upbringing.
Let me share some of the perks of the program with you. So firstly, the participants will get hand-on activities and mentorship sessions. Resources will be shared so that the participants are engaged and they will be provided with recorded sessions for their future references as well. This training program will help the participants to generate a driving force within them for the process of creative thinking and for seeding unique ideas. We will also be engaging the participants on WhatsApp groups for program coordination.
We have successfully conducted this workshop series with more than 50 participants of different age groups and have received a positive response which has helped us in further expanding our workshop series with participants of different age groups. And we invite you to be part of our program.